welcome back. I'm back, passionate. Welcome to my channel. First of all, Happy New Year. All the best for 2024. And a massive thanks for all your lovely comments and wishes on YouTube, on Instagram. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm super lucky to have you. You are the best community, I know. And thanks a lot. Love to you. And yes, I wish you all the best. I do hope you have a wonderful Christmas or family time for those who do not celebrate, and you have a very happy New Year celebration. I personally had a wonderful time. I took holidays. I really wanted to enjoy my family, so excuse for not being present. I answered to every comment and now I'm back. And the very first video of this new year will be my Christmas gift. So the very first gift I received were from my sister, and I'm going to show you the main gifts are DVDs. Yes. I don't know if you can see correctly. It is written Babylon Berlin in French. It's a German series. Maybe in your country you can see it. In France, it was available, but on a special channel I do not have. I just saw a few episodes and I fell in love with the series, and I was missing the last season, and thanks to this box full of DVD, I will see the last fourth season. I'm really happy. For those who do not know, the action takes place just before the Second World War, and it's well done. As I said, we have a bunch of series concerning this period made by French people, but I am always interested to see the German point of view. So it's really a nice series. If you want to just for the aesthetic of this period, I'm talking about the outfit, the architecture, and so it's really interesting to see. So thank you, my sweet sister. And she also gave me some goodies, funny goodies. I've got this cute gel mask with a nice teddy bear in lilac. And I'm really happy because, you know, dark circles, so I will use it. And it's so soft, it's already funny to touch. Oh, and she, for the whole family, she herself made chocolate. Yes, my sister made chocolate bar, and look, you've got marshmallow, you've got little sprinkles, I don't know the name, you know, these little balls, and she mixed some white chocolate, dark chocolate, and I eat some. They are delicious, they are really delicious, but my sister is good at cooking. She can cook, she can make pastries. I can't. I'm super bad at cooking, but my sister is very good. And the last gift, don't laugh, are those little figures. If you are from my generation, in France, the series was called Bioman, and she found these little figures because I love this series so much when I was a kid. So that was my sister gift. My husband gift, it's great because, and last year you see, and I asked for some more, it's Hermès perfume, Eau des Merveilles. It's a box, and inside you have, you have the perfume, and you have a cream for the body. It exists many variations. You can have also a tiny bottle or something for the hand. I choose this one. Oh, by the way, I'm thinking I never done for the moment my Hermes perfume collection. I will do. I love those kind of perfume. They are sweet, they are perfect for all year long, because you know sometimes you have strong perfume and you can wear it only in winter. Eau de Merveille is a nice one, and so thanks hubby. My in-laws, they offered me this beauty set from Caudalie. I have already shown you in some videos some of the Caudalie products I'm using. I'm using Caudalie, I'm using Nuxe, I'm using Occitane. I love these brands, so I was really happy to have this set. They also gifted me. Look how gorgeous it is. It's in leather. I have another one also in violet, but this one is in shimmery lilac. I'm crazy. They are nice. Look, it's raw leather. You have here a pocket, here a zip. They are nice little contours, and in fact I know they choose it for the color because I know I will be crazy at it, and I am crazy at it. And they also offered me something, but I do not have it yet. It will be part of another video because there's a bunch to explain. So later I will do a video about their next gift, so stay tuned. And to finish, my mother, like my sister and even my in-law, they made me a big present, and I always have some goodies. So here are the goodies. I've got a nice soap, donkey milk. Do you say that? Lait d'ânesse, donkey milk. If I know the right word in English, I will write it. It's perfect for the hand. It's super soft for your face. She also find it, this thing, and cream with a penguin, because I've got some favorite animals. Penguin is part of my favorite animals, and she also find the lipstick. Look at the cute penguins, and there's also penguins there, and look, I went crazy when I opened it. Lilac color on the lipstick, oh my god! And it smells divine. It's, in French, the word is mûr. I will write the name in English because I completely forgot the English name. Oh my god, I'm crazy. I'm crazy, and the penguin everywhere kills me, seriously. She also gifted me this. Look how cute it is. I will open it to show you. And I am already excited to put it on my bathroom. Look. When I was a kid, my grandmother got something similar with perfume, and I love to make cheap shit. And inside here we have a powder to illuminate your face, or here, you know. And I am already super excited to use it, but I love the general design and it's really cute. I'm crazy about this little item. And so the main, as you can read, Biba, it's a bag. And let me show it to you. Maybe you will hate it, but I fell in love. The design is funny, and look. I know it won't be the taste of everyone, but the color is chocolate, dark chocolate. It's a leather bag. The size, it's not a mini, it's a small size, because this bag also exists in bigger size. Made all in leather, and as you can see, you've got two handles and you have a bunch of holes, and you can adjust it. I adjust it on the larger size because I want it, you know, to wear it like this. This bag, I want to wear it like this. I can also have it just like a top handle, but I thought I already have a bunch of top handle. This time I want to have a shoulder bag. But look at the leather. I wish you can touch it. It's incredibly soft. And if you are following my channel, you know it's not my first Biba bag. It's a Spanish brand for those who do not know. And they have incredible leather. It's not a velvet leather. You can see the grain. It's amazing to touch. Seriously, I was like that. And it smells divine. So you open it, and inside you have one main compartment. The bag does come with an adjustable strap, all in leather also, and the hook, as you can see, it's dark silver hardware, and here also the leather is amazingly soft. You have one main compartment. You have one flap pocket and a very nice tab in leather. And on the other side, you've got a zip pocket from with a nice size, you can see. And you have a bunch of space. For what I am carrying with me on an everyday basis, it's perfection. I was really crazy about it. I don't own dark chocolate bag, and to be honest, this type of leather, this type of skin I don't own, so I was really happy to add it in my collection. Of course, I will keep you informed of the bag ages, how it went, but wow, I'm super happy to have it. And for those who are asking themselves, wow, she don't have any Longchamp item. Well, there's two reasons. The very first one, during this year, I was enough lucky to buy everything I need. And I have to say, next week begin the winter sales. So I don't want, because my family asked me, hey, what do you want for Christmas? Do you want something from Longchamp? And I refuse, because I don't want them to pay full price something that maybe I can get at a reduced price. So that's the reason why this Christmas I don't have any Longchamp items. But I've got a wish list, a sales wish list, and we'll see later if I finally buy during the winter sales the Longchamp item I marked down in my list. Guys, it's now your turn. I would love to read the gift you received this Christmas, or the activities you have done, because I know I have made this video and I received gift, but Christmas is not also the gift, it's the family, it's the joy to be together. So please write me what you have done with your family or your friends. I want to read your Christmas story or your Happy New Year's celebration for those who do not celebrate Christmas. Please write me. I'm super happy to be back. I will be more than happy to answer you. And stay tuned, because you know I've got a bunch to say about bags and everything. New videos are coming soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care, and we'll see us in the next video. Bisous!